What my 12-year-old taught me about marketing changed my entire career. Let me explain. I'm a marketing expert with 20 plus years of experience. But one day, my daughter showed me something that made me question everything I knew. She was creating TikTok videos, and I noticed she was getting more engagement in one day than my corporate clients got in a month. But here's what's crazy. She wasn't using any fancy strategies or complicated tools. She was just following 3 simple rules. I had completely forgotten about rule number 1. Talk like a real person, not a corporation. She used simple words that everyone understood. No synergy or optimization, just straight talk. Rule number 2. Show, don't tell. Instead of explaining things, she demonstrated them. Visual proof always beats promises. Rule number 3. Make it about them, not you. Every video answered one question. Why should they care? The results? Mind-blowing. When I started applying these kid rules to my corporate clients, their engagement tripled in just 2 weeks. One client went from 500 to 15,000 followers in a month. Another saw their conversion rate jump from 2% to 11%. But here's the craziest part. These weren't new techniques. They were marketing basics we'd forgotten while chasing complexity. Sometimes the best business lessons come from the most unexpected teachers. The question is, are you ready to unlearn everything you think you know about marketing?